What if just one of these brand new Amazon tools could save you hours of work, boost your productivity, and completely change the way you tackle DIY projects? Well, stay with us, because today's countdown features 12 of the smartest, most innovative, and most impressive Amazon tools we've discovered this year. Let's dive right into it. Number 1. Measuring has officially entered the smart ERA. The HOZO NeoRulerGO isn't just another tape measure. It's a compact digital measuring tool capable of measuring straight lines, curves, circles, and even irregular objects with incredible precision. Thanks to built-in Bluetooth connectivity, every measurement instantly syncs to your smartphone, making planning and designing easier than ever. Its rechargeable battery keeps you working longer without constantly replacing batteries. Number 2. Ever struggled to fit a wrench into a tight space? That's exactly where the MAXPOWER Stubby adjustable wrench set shines. Its compact design combines with an extra-wide jaw opening, allowing it to grip larger fasteners where ordinary adjustable wrenches simply can't reach. The included 6-inch and 10-inch wrenches cover everything from plumbing repairs to automotive maintenance and everyday household projects. Built from rugged materials, they're designed for durability, comfort, and long-term performance. Number 3. Why carry 4 different tools when one could do it all? The Vaughan multi-function demolition tool combines a hammer, pry bar, nail puller, and demolition tool into one incredibly durable design. Built for contractors, remodelers, and serious DIY enthusiasts, it's engineered to handle years of heavy-duty abuse without slowing down. Its balanced construction provides outstanding leverage, making demolition faster, cleaner, and far less exhausting. Number 4. If you love woodworking, this tool is about to become your new favorite. Unlike traditional pocket hole jigs that require constant manual adjustments, the BORA automatic pocket hole jig automatically adapts to different material thicknesses. That means faster setup, greater accuracy, and less frustration. It creates strong, professional quality pocket hole joints with remarkable consistency, making furniture building, cabinet construction, and DIY woodworking projects easier than ever. Number 5. Flat tires always seem to happen at the worst possible moment. Fortunately, the AUXITO electric bike pump gets you back on the road in about 20 seconds. This compact, rechargeable inflator reaches up to 120 psi, automatically stopping once the desired pressure is reached. The built-in digital gauge ensures perfect inflation every single time, helping improve both safety and tire performance. Compatible with Presta and Schrader valves, it's ideal for bicycles, motorcycles, sports balls, and much more. Number 6. Cleaning your yard doesn't have to feel like hard work. The Sakerplus cordless leaf blower delivers impressive airflow inside a lightweight, easy-to-handle design. It's perfect for clearing leaves, dust, sawdust, grass clippings, patios, sidewalks, garages, and workshops, all without dealing with noisy gas engines or tangled extension cords. Its powerful rechargeable battery gives you the freedom to clean virtually anywhere. Number 7. Some bolts refuse to move until this cordless ratchet shows up. Powered by compatible DEWALT 20V Max batteries, this brushless electric ratchet delivers impressive torque while fitting into spaces traditional impact tools simply can't reach. Variable speed control offers smooth precision, while the included adapters and extension bar make it incredibly versatile for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, and workshop projects. Number 8. Why carry 2 measuring tools when one does everything? This clever 2-in-1 laser tape measure combines a traditional 16-foot tape measure with a powerful 197-foot laser distance meter inside one compact device. The bright LCD display makes measurements easy to read, while advanced functions calculate area, volume, and indirect distances automatically. USB-C charging keeps you powered without disposable batteries. Whether you're a contractor, woodworker, designer, or DIY enthusiast, this smart measuring tool delivers speed, precision, and convenience in every project. Number 9. Your car deserves better than an ordinary vacuum. The AUXITO cordless car vacuum packs an impressive 14,000 pascals of suction power, while also functioning as a powerful air blower. From crumbs and pet hair to dust hiding inside tight spaces, it handles cleaning with ease. Its cordless rechargeable design eliminates messy cables, while multiple attachments allow you to clean your car, office, home, and even computer equipment. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly practical. Number 10. Precision work starts with rock-solid stability. The Dremel Multi-Vise combines 3 workshop tools in one: a bench vise, a standalone clamp, and a rotary tool holder. Its full 360-degree rotation gives you complete flexibility while engraving, polishing, soldering, sanding, carving, or assembling detailed projects. Strong construction keeps your work securely locked in place, while freeing both hands for maximum control. Number 11. Sometimes, the simplest tools make the biggest difference. The KEKOY Pro Reacher Grabber lets you pick up objects safely without bending, stretching, or straining your back. Its rotating anti-slip jaw grips everything from bottles and cans to garden debris with ease, while the built-in magnet retrieves drop screws, bolts, and keys in seconds. Foldable for compact storage and built for everyday durability, it's perfect for seniors, homeowners, gardeners, and anyone looking for extra convenience. Number 12. We're ending today's countdown with a tool every woodworker should own. This professional 7-piece Countersink Drill Bit Set creates perfectly recessed screw holes for cleaner, stronger, and more professional-looking woodworking projects. Adjustable stop collars ensure consistent drilling depth every single time, while the high-speed steel bits produce smooth, accurate cuts through a wide variety of wood materials. Compatible with standard drills through its 1/4-inch hex shank, it's fast to install and incredibly easy to use. So, which of these brand new Amazon tools impressed you the most? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's countdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest Amazon tools, workshop gear, and game-changing innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.